I'm Nick Elliott, and this is my bike check. I have a stolen cherry frame, 20.6-inch top tube. I have Animal sway bars, 7.9-inch rise, Fit Tech grips, no flanges. I have a Primo Annihilator stem. I have a McNeil Bikes headset. I have Prima Strand forks. I have Alienation PBR rims. They're stock. And I have Odyssey Twombolt cranks. Yeah, it's my stock driver. It's pretty loud. I have a KHE half-link chain, a volume padded pivotal seat with an Animal seat post, Animal Hamilton plastic pedals. I have a Fit Tri-Style Rostas sprocket. They don't make these anymore. I have an Odyssey bottom bracket, Animal GLHR tire in the back, pretty low tread. And I have an Animal GLH tire in the front. The back one's a folding tire, much lighter. They're both 110 PSI. And that is about it. It's a really nice bike. Vortex down tube with teardrop. Tubing and P2 heat treated chromoly frame. Super nice bike. Weighs about probably like 21, 22 pounds. And that's it for my bike check. Later.